Let me introduce you guys to Ethan. He's 23 and currently suffered a recent neck injury due to a car accident. So we're going to go through some stabilizing techniques as a pregame warm-up to our pickleball match. We're going to begin with utilizing the Atom Performance Brace system, which includes the waist belt and the two elbow braces here. Tension's coming from behind him, which means that we're loading the frontal side of the body. The frontal plane is going to include the chest, frontal deltoids, lateral deltoids, while the scapula and the rest of the posterior chain is going to be worked only through the eccentric motions of resistance. Once we've done a couple of reps of these, we're going to switch it around and we're going to start working the posterior chain of the body. As you can see, he's going to start with a forward protracted roll out into an abducted and retracted state through a press and a forward roll again. These are great to enhance stability. You're going to want to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes before your game warm-ups. I can promise you, your shoulders will never feel better. Again, this posterior side chain is going to work the trap, scapula, and all of your lateral delts. Hope you guys enjoy and let me know what you think.